Sony's RX0 is a tiny camera with big ideas. Sony just announced a new camera called the RX0, but breaking from the trend of lower number equals fancier camera. This one is a tiny device that combines an action cam form factor with some traditional imaging prowess. It's an unusual combination, yet somehow tempting. The waterproof, shockproof RX0 has a 1-inch, 15-megapixel crop down from 21 sensor and a 24mm equivalent f4 lens, which right off the bat differentiates it from GoPro cameras, which generally have smaller sensors with super wide angle, relatively slow glass in front. But it lacks a zoom and many of the other useful features of a pocket camera like the RX100. So you're not going to be walking around taking snapshots with this thing. It seems that the RX0 is being put forth as a sort of modular system for videographers who need the ruggedness and versatility of a GoPro but want a bit more control and fidelity. Be cameras on set and outside, depending on the image quality. Shooting from multiple angles, multiple RX0s can sync together. Super slow-mo footage, it goes up to 960 FPS, and so on. While its $700 price tag might be a bit much for people who just want a camera to attach to their bike or surfboard, there are plenty of people who would opt for the RX0 instead of a GoPro. It's an odd little device, no doubt, but the more I think about it, the more I feel I prefer it for non-traditional duties. It'll be available in October. Add a comment.